Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use Gmail account, and this video is for completely beginner who haven't really used Gmail. Okay, so first of all, if you're using your desktop, simply just you can see if you're using your Google Chrome, you will be able to see that something just like this if you are signed in with your Google account. But if you are not, simply just go to gmail.com, okay, and you have to sign in into your account. Okay, now here you can see I'm signed in into my account. So here you can see in this section, you can see I'm just pointing that mouse, which is its main menu, and you will be able to find inbox, starts, notes, and lots of folders and options available. So it's important, but what we usually do is we usually use our Gmail or Google account for signing up in social sites and other services. So I'm just going to a very basic thing, which is if you want to write any mail to anyone else, you just simply need to click on compose, and you can see that. And there are in this section there are lots of options available, like attaching files, inserting links, emojis, insert drive, photo, and lots of things. And here you can see in this section to subject. So I'm just showing you in this section you have to type that Gmail which you want to whom you want to send this mail. And then in this subject section you have to write that subject. So if you're sending him formal email, you have to follow the rules and maintain the structure of that email. But right now I'm just showing you that simply okay, I'm just typing that subject, and here you can see this is the email body. You have to write whatever you want to send him. So I'm just here typing just as well. And let's suppose you want to attach any kind of files, you can simply click on this icon and simply select that file you want. So let's suppose I'm just selecting a PNG or GPG file right here. Okay, and if you want to insert any kind of link, if you click on that, you can see you can simply write any kind of text, like I'm sharing that facebook.com, okay, fp.me, right, the Facebook's website, and I'm simply clicking on OK. And here you can see this is the link, it's shared with him. Okay, you can insert a link just like that. And here you can see insert emoji. If you want to give any kind of emoji, you can select from this option. And if you want to add insert files using Google Drive, you can simply just selecting this option. And there are no file in my Google Drive, so we can see nothing here. Okay, so next one is insert photo. If you want to insert any kind of photo, you can simply choose from your desktop, you can see. Okay, so just like that. And here you can see the turn on confidential mode, which how this work is, you can see you can select the expiry date of that email, like recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, or print or download this email after you can select the expiry date. So I'm just not selecting it, so okay. And here you can see insert signature. So right now I don't have any kind of signature, and there is also already a particular video on that topic, like how to add signature. So you guys can go to our channel and simply watch. Okay, so now here you can see send, right? So in this option there are more send option, which is if you want to select schedule send, you can simply just select it. And you can simply just select a random your time, select a date and time. If you click on that, you can select a date, and you can also select a time, as this is 24-hour format, so it's set to let's suppose 5 o'clock, okay, which is 24 August. And if you click on schedule send, it will be scheduled. So in this section you will be able to find this, which is, if you click on that, and here you can see this is the email. If you click on that, you'll be able to cancel send. Okay, and if you click on that, and you'll be able to find the entire thing. And if you want to send this email right now, you simply just click on send. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can send email. Okay, and now here you can see in this inbox option, you will be able to see all the email you received. Start option, if you start any kind of mail, you will be able to see that. Okay, in snooze option you will be able to find, snoozed email, and this is the important box, and this is sent box. If you sent your email to anyone else, you will be able to find this right here. And if you have anything on drafts, you'll be able to find this option. Okay, so if you want to delete this draft, you can simply discard draft. So now here you can see you don't have any saved drafts. Now here you can see chats, which is hangout chat, and if you click on all mail, you'll be able to see all the mail all you received and sent. And in bin option, you'll be able to find your deleted email, where you can, let me just show you. Let's suppose you want to delete this, and after deleting, you'll be able to find that mail right here, bin or trash, whatever you say. And if you want to delete forever, you can simply just delete forever, or if there are lots of email, you can simply just click on empty bin now, and everything will be gone. Okay, and here you can see categories like social, updates, forums, promotions. Okay, lots of things. So and here you can see create a new level. So there is already a video about this topic. You will be able to find this in our channel. So that's all about the, if you're a beginner, this is, I think this is enough for you, and you'll be able to find lots of advanced tips and tricks related to Gmail, okay, on YouTube, on our channel. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you still have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.